Alright, hey everyone, thanks for clicking on this video, and today I will show you how you can download CapCut on your PC. And it's fairly easy, so all you have to do is go to your browser of choosing. For this example, I'm just going to use Edge, and then just navigate to Google and type in CapCut. And then I would always ignore the sponsored ads and just go make sure it's CapCut.com that you're clicking on. It's usually the first result. And once that's here, luckily they make it fairly easy. And on the home page, you should see a download for Windows right here. Just click on that. Up here, just wait for it to download. Alright, that took a little longer than I thought. And all you have to do is just click on Open File, and it will go through the installation process. And since I already have CapCut installed, this is not going to successfully install for that reason. But after it gets to 100%, it should say that it is fully installed and ready to be opened. So if you have any issues, just let me know, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.